Avinent Hub may look like just a production plant, but it's much more. It's a place to invent, discover, and dream the future. Here, plazas are places where the avenues of innovation converge. Places where people connect, with their research teams that produce the most excellent solutions. Centres where the most daring projects become a reality. With cutting-edge technology, where a brilliant idea becomes an innovative process, where the result of science surprises us. Because innovation is Avinent's DNA. And that's why the Avinent Hub is much more. A place to imagine and create. A place to go beyond the limits.